Here's the story. I was using the GTS-3M and I wanted to get a new main, and I tried some other cubes like the Little Magic M, Volk M, just a bunch of other ones that I had, including the GAN X, and those just for some reason didn't suit me at the time. I feel like different cubes suit me at different times, but then I tried the GTS-2M that I had sitting around, and this one is not a regular GTS-2M. It is spring swapped so that the springs inside are from the MF3 RS2. This was an idea I tried a long time ago thanks to SpeedCube Review, which I'll link his video in the description. Basically, once you swap the springs, the GTS2 becomes a little bit slower and more controllable, and also gets that really smooth feel that you have from the MF3 RS2. The GTS3. Love it, but its time is up for me. So I'm just going to arrange these cubes approximately in the order that they came out. And so here we have the Volk, and I'm just going to compare their corner cutting right here. Right there, which is, so line to line where it corner cuts that way, and just under line to line around here where it reverse corner cuts. Right in between tends to be the spot where these older cubes, including the GTS2, which I'm saying is my new main, will not corner cut. And that has always been a problem for me. Here's the Little Magic, and I believe it doesn't really do it either. Here's the MF3 RS2, which starts to be able to do it in some places. And then on the GAN X, it just usually can. And the GAN X's corner cutting is actually just ridiculous to me. All right, every time I really compliment something, it just doesn't work. But anyway, the MF3 RS2 and GTS2 have very similar mechanisms, and the springs in, not this one, but some other dead MF3 RS2 is inside here right now, and that's what makes this feel really, really similar to an MF3 RS2. Doesn't sound that similar. Unfortunately, I can't show you how similar they actually feel. They both have a super soft feel on the inside. So the reason I liked the MF3 RS2 before was because of its better corner cutting in general. It just, besides being able to corner cut more, it's actually more effortless. And on the GTS2, no. However, another main difference in their feel is the MF3 RS2. I don't think I have it loose at all. The pieces tend to move around a lot more easily, and on the GTS2, it just doesn't. Now, the thing is, I don't actually like the GTS2 that much. It's just that this spring swap makes the cube slow down to the point where it's more controllable, and the magnet strength being slightly weaker than what I'd expect in a really fast cube actually starts to make sense now. Oh yeah, it doesn't always corner cut, but I love it. Besides the cube feeling nice, I don't know exactly what performance-wise is making me do better on this cube. I suspect that since I didn't like it before for performance reasons, and I do like it now for feel reasons, it's probably because my turning style has just shifted into a way such that this cube seems to be really good for me right now. Because with every cube, it's kind of like a hill. I start moving up and it gets better and better as I get used to it. But then the more I use it, the more I take advantage of what is good about it, to the point where I develop bad habits, and then it starts to become worse again. And that's where I'm going down the hill. Then every other cube starts to feel good as well, because they don't let me do those bad habits. And so sometimes when I use another cube for a few days, even if it wasn't my main before, it does end up feeling better now. I even got that 5, which could have been a PB if I recognized the AUF faster, but the solve was so fast that I kind of panicked at the end, and then ended up panicking for the next few solves afterwards as well. You can actually see my hands shaking on the camera. So also, because I didn't quite like this cube so much in the past, I'm not going to give my full recommendation on this. It's just that it happens to suit me now. I think it's really interesting, and that's why I'm making a video on it. So anyway, yeah, enjoy the rest of the solves. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.